Day 27, time tracking for peak performance. Today, we're going to dive into this crucial topic that can revolutionize your productivity and success, tracking your time. Understanding where your hours go is the foundation of achieving your goals and maximizing your potential. Many of us move through our days without truly knowing how to spend our time. We feel busy, we feel overwhelmed, we feel stretched thin. Yet, when we look at our actual accomplishments, something doesn't add up. This disconnect between what our perceived busyness and our real productivity often comes with one simple truth. We're not accurately aware of how we spend our hours and our minutes throughout the day. So think about your typical day. How much time do you spend scrolling through social media? How many minutes slip away during your task? What about those moments whenever you're stuck in the decision paralyzation, second guessing your choice? These small time leaks add up to significant loss in your productivity and potential for your growth. The good news is awareness is the first step towards your positive change. When you begin tracking your time, you start seeing patterns that you've never noticed before. You might discover that what you feels like a quick email checklist actually consumes an hour of your morning, or that the most productive work happens during a certain period of time during the day. This knowledge is powerful because it allows you to make intentional choices about your schedule. Instead of letting time manage you, you can take control and align your activities with your goals. It's about becoming a rigid timekeeper. It's about understanding your natural rhythms and maximizing your energy. Here's your challenge for the next 2 weeks. Start tracking your time, 30-minute blocks. Use a notebook, just a simple notebook, or a digital tool to record what you're doing each day and each block. Be honest with yourself. This exercise is for your benefit and your benefit only. And the accuracy is crucial of meaningful insights. At the end of each day, review your time blocks. Rate each activity on a scale from 10 to 0, considering how energized or how drained you felt during these tasks. This rating system will help you identify which activities fuel your progress and which ones deplete your resources. Pay attention, special attention, to the transition periods between tasks. These in-between moments often harbor hidden time wastage that can significantly impact your overall productivity. Notice how long it takes you to switch from one activity to another, and whether certain transitions consistently take longer than others. As you gather this data, your patterns will emerge. You might find that certain tasks always takes longer than you expect, or that the specific times of the day are constantly more productive. Use these insights to reconstruct your schedule, prioritize high value activities during your peak energy periods. Let me share a real example that might resonate with you. One of my clients discovered that through time tracking that she was spending nearly 2 hours each day responding to non-urgent emails and messages. By batching these communications into 2 focused 30-minute blocks, she freed up an hour daily for high-impact project work. This simple change, identified through careful time tracking, led to a 25% increase in her monthly revenue. Another powerful benefit of time tracking is the ability to combat perfection and procrastination. When you see exactly how long tasks actually take versus how long you think it should take, you can set more time realistically. This awareness often helps you break through those paralysis of perfection, allowing you to move forward in greater confidence and efficiency. Remember, it isn't just about judgment or criticism. It's about understanding and optimization. Every time you spend tracking, your time is an investment in your future and your success. So start today, be consistent with your tracking, and watch your awareness transform into improved productivity and greater achievement for your goals. Your future self will thank you for taking crucial steps towards your time and maximizing your potential. Friends, set a timer, 15 minutes here, 15 minutes there, 30 minutes or 30 minutes you will learn how to master that 2-hour workday. I will see you tomorrow for day 28.